Hey guys, welcome to my channel Vlogs with Vesh. I am in Chennai and I just took a trip to the Lloyd's beach. It is in Besan Nagar. And while going to beach, I did some shopping. And while I was on my way to beach, I came across this beautiful church. The architecture was so stunning. Of course, beach outings are incomplete without good food. So we found a pani puri stall and oh my god, it was so good. Crispy, spicy, chatpata. As the sun started setting, the whole beach just turned magical. The sky was painted in the shade of orange and pink. The waves looked golden. It was honestly one of the most beautiful sights ever. If you ever visit, make sure to stay till the evening to witness this stunning view. And we enjoyed after that. We had lot of fun and then we played with the waves. This was so peaceful to had some time with friends and to enjoy. Once we got to the beach, we didn't just relax, we got creative. We had a blast making sand castle. We enjoyed a lot, and while going, the light of the church were on. Whole street was very bright. So that's it for today's video. If you love chill vlogs like this, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. What's your favorite way to de-stress?